A dog takes 6 leaps for every 4 leaps of a hare, and 2 leaps of a dog are equal to 5 leaps of a hare. Compare their speeds. Now, the dog and hare, they are taking 6 leaps and 4 leaps in the same time. Okay, so we can say that 6 dog leaps and 4 hare leaps are taken in the same time. But the distance covered in a dog leap and a hare leap is different. It is given to us the relation 2 dog leaps is equal to 5 hare leaps. So from this we can get that 1 dog leap is equal to 5 by 2 times of 1 hare leap. So we can substitute this value of 1 dog leap in this. So we get here 6 into 5 by 2 hare leaps corresponds to 4 hare leaps. So hare leaps gets cancelled out. 2 threes are 6. So therefore, final answer comes out to be 15 is to 4. This is the ratio of the speeds of dog and a hare.